Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you 81 Jeep Scrambler. Very nice Jeep. There you can see the winch up front, chrome grille, chrome headlight covers, Scrambler decals, had a repaint, very nice repaint. It's hard to see on a video, but nice and straight. They did a good job blocking it. Nice job on black. Best top seats and console and floor mats. Sniper fuel injection. Really nice little Scrambler. They put flares on it because of the bigger tires, not to scratch it up. Bed linered the box. Chrome tailgate hinges, LED lights. Like I said, I really can't find any flaws on the body. A few chips there. As soon as I say that, oh, that's just some dirt. You can see a few old chips there maybe when they painted it, but not many issues with this. This is a beautiful paint job, and they laid it on excellent. You'll be able to see the shine on the video. So very nice truck. We head through the shop, needed a starter, put a new starter on it. Runs and drives great. See them videos also. Just give me a call if you need them sent to you. 605-695-7391.